Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on announce calls on your iPhone. First, you have to go to settings. Scroll down. Click on phone. Then click on announce calls. After clicking on announce call, you will see a pop-up like this. Here we can see 4 options. From here you can choose any of your options. I will choose the first option from here. Our setting is done. One thing to keep in mind here is that the number that will be saved to your contact will be the call announcement. If a name has been saved to your contact, the call will actually be announced. In case of unknown call, unknown number will be announced.
Unknown caller.
So, this was today's video. Hope you liked the video. If you like, do like, comment, share and also subscribe Apple Info channel.